Welcome. Teacher's Introduction. My name is Debabrata Mallik, Assistant Professor, Department of Arts and Crafts, Borishal Cadet College. Lesson Introduction. Class 7, Subject Arts and Crafts, Chapter 2, Lesson number 3 and 4. Date is 6th of July 2020. Hello, all of my dear cadets. Very good morning and have a good day. I hope you all are getting on well with your dear and near ones. Dear boys, you know Corona crisis is now on rise. Under such predicament, you should keep yourself aloof from meeting with outer world. Please make yourself confined within the walls of your own residence. I would frequently like to ask you to follow the corona discipline, and that is how you can certainly ensure your safe and sound dwelling free from corona. Let's now we go our lesson. Topic: Fine arts and crafts is the language of all people of all ages. Lesson number 3 and 4. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this chapter, we will be able to describe the famous artists and their artworks. Explain about world famous artist Leonardo da Vinci's life and his artworks. Chapter 2, lesson number 3 and 4. Okay, my dear cadets. World famous artists and their artworks. From the primitive time till today, hundreds of pictures were drawn by hundreds of artists. The names of the artists of cave drawings remain unknown to us. So many paintings have been drawn by artists in many countries in later time. Some of them became world famous through their artworks. Many great artists in the subcontinent, by their creation in the field of arts, have taken the place in the history of art and craft. Among them, some of the special personalities are Rabindranath Tagore, Govindrandranath Tagore, Abhinandannath Tagore, Gemini Roy, Nandalal Bose, and others. Likewise, pioneer artists of our country are Shilpacharya Jainal Abidin, Kamrul Hassan, S.M. Sultan, and Anwarul Haq. After them, some other famous artists who continued to uphold the arts are Muhammad Kibriya, Khayyam Chaudhry, Aminul Islam, Hamidul Rahman, Murtaza Bashir, Mustafa Manwar, Rashid Chaudhry, Abdul Razzaq, Abdul Basit, Devdas Chatterjee, Nitun Khundu, Hashim Khan, Rafiqul Nabi, Munirul Islam, and others. Okay, my dear cadets, let us know about the life and works of some of the artists who became famous in the world for art and sculptor. Today, we will know about world famous artist Leonardo da Vinci. Lesson 4 start here. Leonardo da Vinci. We can start here. Leonardo da Vinci was born in 1452 BC in a small village named Anciano, 60 miles away from Florence of Italy, a small town called Vinci. His father, Piero da Vinci, was a respectable, wealthy person. His mother's name was Catherine. As a child, was Da Vinci good looking and physically healthy. His father prioritized to his best for a tight, bright future of his son. Leonardo da Vinci grew up in great wealth and prosperity. Leonardo da Vinci was born at a time when Italy was going through Renaissance. My dear boys, you know about Renaissance. So far, I know. Okay, my dear. That the time Leonardo da Vinci was born at a time when Italy was going through Renaissance. At that time, a new era of revolution had started in Europe. He had a great liking for about horse riding, music, painting, medical science, and architecture. He used to have many experiments on paintings. He designed a layout of an airplane by observing the birds flying in the sky. He also dissected and experimented human dead bodies to acquire the correct on the knowledge of human anatomy of human body. This line is very important, my dear cadets. Uh, please follow me. He also dissected and experimented human dead bodies to acquire the correct and the knowledge of the anatomy of human body. He was the first person who dissected the and experimented human dead bodies. My dear boys, besides fine arts, his research on other things help science to discover and invent many things later on. He had uncountable painting on different subjects. Leonardo da Vinci had done research on different topics of science. Later on, from his idea and imagination, aeroplane, land transport, and sea ships were invented that are the wonder of modern world. Among his artworks, the Mona Lisa still remain the world famous portrait. Okay, my dear, I like to repeat here. Among his artworks, the Mona Lisa it's a wall painting. the Mona Lisa still remains the world famous portrait. The painting is now the property of Louvre Museum. Its length is 3 feet and breadth is 2 feet. This 25 years old lady was the wife of a man named Francisco del Gioconda of Italy. The smile on her face is a mystery to us till today. Okay, my dear cadets, besides Mona Lisa, the famous paintings were Adoration of Kings, Virgin of the Rocks, Madonna, Children and Saint Anne, etc. At last, at the age of 67, this great artist died on 2nd May in 1519 BC. Okay, my dear. Now, question pattern. This session is question pattern. Question number 1. Write the name of some pioneer artist of our country. Answer is here. Pioneer artists of our country are Shilpa Jaja Joinal Abidin, SM Sultan, Anwarul Haq, Muhammad Khibriya, and Munirul Islam, etc. Question number 2. When was the Leonardo da Vinci born? Answer is here. Leonardo da Vinci was born in 1452 BC. Okay. Next, question number 3. Why did he dissect, experiment the human bodies? Answer is here. He dissected it for acquiring the correct structure of human body. Question number 4. What was his Leonardo da Vinci world famous painting? I repeat here. What was his world famous painting? Answer is Mona Lisa. Okay, my dear. Question number 5. When did he die? Answer is here. He died on 2nd May of 1519. Okay, my dear. Home task. Task is here. Was Leonardo da Vinci only an artist? What are some of his other introductions? Explain in 6 sentences. Okay, my dear cadets. Okay, my dear beloved cadets. I hope all of you have understand the lesson and got my points. So now I like to conclude here. Again, I do repeat here, my dear. Please keep yourself confined your residence. It will positive protect you from corona menace. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all. All the very best. Bye.